back to a new video, and I'm here with my cousin. Say hi.
Hi.
And well, I wanted to tell you that my dog died, guys. And it was that little dog that I had that I showed you in one of my videos, guys. And yeah. And today I'm gonna revenge with, the Pro Gamer 2. We're gonna beat up the dogs. I'm gonna do a video, guys. So don't worry.
So don't worry because and they're gonna he just has a new dog now.
Yeah, I have a new dog, guys. I already showed it on the video. And I'm gonna show you this dog.
Me.
You want me to show her that dog? Dookie?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna show you Dookie, guys.
So he's so big and so
say hi, boy. Say hi.
Oh, what the heck I just did?
I wanted them to name him Chop, like the one from GTA.
Yeah, like Chocolate. We can name him Chocolate. Yeah. Name him Chocolate.
Yeah.
So we're gonna use
we're not trying to get wet. That's why we're here.
So
she wants to make a YouTube channel, but her mom and dad probably don't let her because she's little. They're like practicing,
So we're gonna just go up there and let's see what they're doing, okay?
We're gonna see what they're doing, okay?
Yeah, come on, let's go. You wait me up there. I can go get my phone.
Oh, she's gonna get her phone. Come on.
There you go. Let's go. Hurry, bro. Before it gets starting harder. Right. Just gonna sit.
Okay, that's weird. That's weird.
Now we're gonna go back.
Is this weird?
So now we're gonna go outside. So let's go
What
outside.
the heck are you doing? It's cold.
I know it's cold.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit! We are so loud.
We're gonna go in. Okay, guys. Peace. Peace out. Say see ya. Say see you later.
See ya. Peace out.
So put yourself right there.
See you. Peace out, bros.
Okay. Subscribe for her.